a new drug development startup and bio-startup that grows through a bold theme, growth capability, and rapid process, a global competitor in the field of immune control. dNature Corporation. Founded in 2016, dNature, a new drug development bio-startup, is a professional group of 7 experts with a total of 102 years of experience in drug development research. Through continuous research and development since its foundation, we have secured unique technologies that can contribute to the quality of life and are developing pharmaceuticals and cosmetics with global competitiveness. Our first technology goal is to control unnecessary inflammation. To this end, we have challenged JAK inhibitor, Janus kinase inhibitor, technology, for which only a few global pharmaceutical companies compete fiercely. This technology is useful for chronic inflammatory diseases, autoimmune diseases, cancer, and hair loss. In particular, it can be used for hair loss regardless of the cause or gender, so many people with alopecia are looking forward to it. This is because it has been found that JAK inhibitor convert hair follicles into the anagen, causing hair regeneration. However, these excellent drugs are very expensive and owned by only a few global pharmaceutical companies. Only now are they announcing the results of clinical trials for alopecia areata, an autoimmune disease. But the cost of medicine above $5,000 per month would be a huge burden on consumers. We have challenged this technology with natural products. We aimed for Brevelin A, which was too small to be extracted by conventional methods, although it is a pharmacologically excellent substance. After a long period of challenges and failures, we were able to complete the new method DEE for mass production and CMX, a new material made from this. The achievement was registered and filed as a patent, being recognized by experts in the related field. We have succeeded for the first time in Korea and in the world what the major domestic and foreign pharmaceutical companies could not achieve, with the company's goal of improving quality of life by challenging impossible areas without being bound by existing values. We challenged the human body application test to see what effect the natural composition CMX would have on the human body. Its efficacy has been confirmed through official clinical trials for as long as 6 months. Increased hair density as well as rich and changed hairline were statistically verified. This was published in an international journal. A thesis was also published that analyzed how hair grows in detail. This achievement also led to a relationship with L'Oreal. Korea's alopecia alleviation functional cosmetic system has never given permission for anything other than 6 pre-designated ingredients not to be screened. However, our CMX has been certified as a functional cosmetic alleviation of alopecia by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety under the name of CMX Hair Tonic, after reviewing the clinical trial results. It is the first time in Korea to certify its own raw material product. In addition, CMX used in Anacell is a unique material of dNature, of which pharmacological mechanism and efficacy have been proven. Alopecia also has different symptoms depending on the cause. Alopecia areata, an autoimmune disease, sometimes repeats rapid disappearing of hair in a certain part and recovering. Androgenetic alopecia, which is caused by the genetic sensitivity of hormones, occurs in both men and women at different times and shapes. However, alopecia causes psychological problems in any form. What is alopecia? There may be environmental and genetic factors such as aging, stress, hormones, etc., but the result is a resting state of the numerous hair follicles that need to make hair. The pharmacological mechanism we aimed to JAK inhibition and Wnt activity is a signal that wakes it up and regenerate the hair. Anacell is the product that has proved this pharmacological mechanism and efficacy. In addition to clinical trials, many consumers have used it, leaving reviews for successful results. Anacell is a product designed to solve these problems. Apply to the scalp and leave on for 3 to 8 hours before washing off. In the meantime, CMX penetrates through the pores and restores the vitality of the hair follicles. You can adjust the number and time of use as needed. But don't forget to use it steadily even if it is recovered, since it doesn't eliminate the cause of your alopecia. For those who don't want to pay time and money to professionals, we recommend the premium home care Anacell, which can be used just by sleeping time. Nature is challenging the development of new drugs in an effort to advance technology. However, we do not mind providing any products that are useful to consumers' lives, such as cosmetics and food products, as well as pharmaceuticals. We will become a global competitive company that offers new solutions through continuous research. Nature Corporation. Improving your quality of life by Nature.